Tiwa Savage and her sex tape. A lot of people have been tagging me on different blogs, asking for my opinion, and also sending me DM. I intentionally sat back without dabbling into this issue to do my research. I just wanted to sit at the fence and see how the common Nigerians are going to react. And as usual, they did not surprise me. They pushed the blame on the woman. It's always the woman that is the problem. Tiwa Savage had sexual intercourse with her boyfriend. Her boyfriend leaked the video by mistake or intentionally, whatever it was. Somebody was blackmailing her to release the video. This video was her vulnerability without her consent, her sexual intercourse. This video was released. Whether the video was made with the both of them's consent or not, it wasn't planned to be released. And we agreed that the video was released out of mistake. So what are we blaming Tiwa for? Some people are saying, oh, Tiwa, a lot of people look up to you. It shouldn't have happened. This thing that happened is something she didn't have control over. It's life that happened. And it shouldn't have happened. Why would you have made video? Why would you do? And I'm like, do you know the things you do in your closet? That's why it is called privacy. Privacy simply means it's between the both of us. If it leaks, it's not my fault. I didn't have power over it. I respect Tiwa Savage for coming out to own up to her shit. Tiwa practically went on a radio station to own up to her shit. It takes guts, it takes boldness. It takes a strong woman to do that. Tiwa would have come out to say it was not me. Because if Tiwa hadn't owned up to that video, trust me, I could have said that wasn't Tiwa. She could have probably said that was my lookalike. But she owned up to it. She's a real woman. That's what it should be. Everything Tiwa Savage said in her interview, I watched it. Most of you did not watch that video. I went from the beginning and watched that video. Was exactly what was on that tape. She said on the video, when I saw the video, I was like, wow. She explained the way her face was. Oh, she didn't like, oh, her face. That was her vulnerability out there. If it was a stunt or if it was intentional, she would prepare. That was a woman who was vulnerable. Nobody's seen the vulnerability. You guys just want to talk. What about the blackmailer? What about the person who released the video? If Tiwa Savage decides to forgive her boyfriend for releasing the video, why are we blaming her? Why is it always the women that we are blaming? Why? Oh, she's a role model. Oh, she's a celebrity. She's not supposed to. She's human. And what leaked was her private moment. Tiwa Savage did not put out her body publicly. What she did with her partner privately, what leaked, it can happen to anybody. So what's the issue here? Why are you dragging her? People are saying different. What do you want us to drag her for? For the first time, women have come out to support their own. And a lot of you men are shocked. It's shocking you that women are actually standing by her. You were expecting us to drag her. Drag her for what exactly? For having sex with her partner? And some people actually said, what about her son? That she has a son. Her son could grow up to see the stuff. I also heard somebody said in one of Daddy Free's live video that the things that are haunting some of us today are what our parents have done. Let me tell you something different between us and our parents. What is haunting us are the things our parents hid from us. The things that we discovered our parents did and we did not even know that they did it. Some of us thought our parents were sent. Some of us thought our parents were righteous. And we grew up and saw the atrocity that our parents did. What destroyed us is the fact that we did not know what was chasing us. When you own up to your shit, it cannot destroy your generation. Tiwa Savage said in her video, because go back and watch that video, she said, when the interviewer asked her, what about your son? She said, when my son turns 15, I'm going to tell him in case they want to mock him in school. If Tiwa Savage owned up and sits her son down and say, baby boy, this is what happened to me, do you think you can use that thing to insult him? I'm one woman who have gone through scandal. A lot of people used to tell me, listen, what if your son wake up and come and see you handcuffed? And I laugh at their foolishness. Do you know why? Because my son was the one that took the picture that went viral. The Onyeze drama that people are saying, your son will wake up. He took me the picture. He knows the story. He knows exactly what happened. He knows his mother is building a house. He knows his mother has built a house. So the things that haunt us are the things our parents hid from us, not the things our parents told us. You cannot haunt people with the things they already know. You only haunt people with the things that they hide. That's why a lot of people are shocked at our generation, that we can come out and say, yes, it is us. Normally, these are the things our parents would die hiding. Our parents will even die than for this to come out. These are the things that make our parents to commit suicide. These are the things that hold our parents ransom to do things that they did not plan to do. But we own up to it. So a lot of people are shocked. How come this new generation women are so bold? They now have gods. If we mess up, we say we mess up. We clean up and we make a U-turn. We tell you, I'm sorry. That's what society are shocked about. Society are shocked because this new generation women can own up to their shit. So they're expecting you to go and hide. Your sex video leaked, you're supposed to kill yourself. That is their expectation, but it's not working. So everybody's thinking, how come she's so bold? They were expecting Tiwa to start crying, fly out, disable her account, the usual African woman now. But she's bold. She's selling her music. She's doing her TikTok. Her music is trending. Somebody's son is finding us. That's the reason why society is surprised. It's because she did not give them the reaction that a normal woman would have. A lot of men are upset because women are supporting women. The narrative that they wanted is not working. I beg. Now sex, now she gets, she no key person. She had sex with the person she loved. She didn't go for runs. She didn't go to share her body. She was having sexual intercourse with somebody that she was in a relationship with. What are you dragging her for? So please, this is my 2 cents. To those of you who look up to Tiwa, I look up to her. She's my role model. She's my this, she's my that. If you look up to Tiwa Savage, look up to her crafts. Look up to the good things that she has done. Tiwa has produced a lot of good music. Tiwa has done a lot of good things in her life. It is not only this one that will influence you. Even our parents did a lot of things we're not proud of. Make the right choices. At least you know that this is bad. Then don't choose it. Pick the good one that Tiwa Savage have done. Why is it always the bad one that is influencing you? Your role model will do 1 million things and they make one mistake, and it's that one mistake that you cling on to that want to influence you. The 1 million good things that they did not influence you. Their music did not influence you. It's just that one mistake. You know it's a mistake. Why are you doing it? You know that thing is bad. Why are you imitating it? Why do you not imitate all the good ones? Unfortunately, negativity is what trends. You people never pick up the good one. You people are always looking for who is influencing you. You are influencing people. You are an adult. Tiwa Savage did not teach you how to start having sex. You were having sex before Tiwa Savage sex video leaked. Were you not? Are you not? So why are you saying she's influencing you? It was a mistake. It wasn't deliberate. She wasn't acting porn. Her vulnerability was put out there. That's what we should be looking at. Unfortunately, we're in a lawless country where everything can go. If it was outside this country, this would not be taken lightly. Both the person that mistakenly leaked it and the blackmailer would have gone in for it. But unfortunately, we're in a country where anything can go. And because we now understand that anything can go, we have braced up. Anything you want to post it. We will own up to it. Now lie, we no keep person. Now knack, we knack, nobody die. You know the knack? So rest. Enough of this Tiwa this one, Tiwa that one. It's okay, let us hear what. Shebi people have watched sex tape. What did he add to your life? Nothing. Her music is more productive. She has done better music that has changed life than her sex tape that have leaked. Go and listen to the music. That one will be more productive for you. Tiwa Savage has changed life. Her craft has done a lot for you. Cling on to that one. Leave the sex tape. Now